I guess you are watching this video because your computer is running with an issue here. As you are trying to put a program you have recently installed, this error arrived. The program start.api whatever file l1-2-0.dll is missing from your computer. It's a very common issue, and all you need to do is watch this video patiently and follow that method on your computer. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Evolution. In this very short video, I'll be fixing this error within 3 minutes. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open your favorite browser and search for the entire DLL name. You can choose any results. I'm choosing the first one. This is not sponsored, but I'll put the link in the description. You can see few download options based on the architecture and version. To know your architecture and version, click on Start and search for system information. You can see mine is 64-bit and I'm updated to the recent Windows update. So I'll be downloading from the top. I strongly recommend you to read this page. It has backup process also. As the download complete, hit open. Now you can see two files. One is the DLL, other one is readme. To move the DLL, open this PC, new LMC, Windows, and find a folder name System32. Now click on the zip file, drag the DLL and drop. I have already done this, so they are asking me to replace. And hit continue to give administrator access. Before we proceed, let's check by typing the file name. Here you can see the file is properly placed in the folder right now. 32-bit process is done. You can go and restart your computer. Only if you are a 64-bit users. And this PC one more time. Local disk C. Windows, and this time find a folder named sys64. There it is. This is the home of 64-bit DLLs. Then click on the downloaded zip, drag the DLL and drop. Save again. Check this one more time. Yeah, the file is properly placed. And job done. Now go and restart your computer. That will surely do it. In extremely rare cases, if the error reoccurs, you need to download and install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable and install your program again.
And that's all. If you follow me step by steps, you'll no longer have that problems left. Please let me know how you feel about this video. And do not forget to like and subscribe.